Before business suits dominated modern offices. Before contemporary Chinese fashion reached the global stage. Before minimalist tailoring became a worldwide trend. There was the Mao Suit. Structured, practical, distinctive. It wasn't designed to celebrate luxury. It was created to represent unity. The story of the Mao Suit begins in the early 20th century. Inspired by the Zhongshan suit introduced during China's modernization, its design combined elements of Western tailoring with traditional Chinese aesthetics. As political and social change reshaped the nation, the garment became increasingly associated with equality, discipline, and public service. Its unmistakable silhouette soon became recognized around the world. The science behind the Mao Suit begins with symmetry. Its balanced construction distributes weight evenly across the body. The stand-up collar frames the neckline without the need for a tie. 4 patch pockets provide practical storage while maintaining visual harmony. Straight-cut trousers allow unrestricted movement while preserving a clean appearance. Every proportion reflects thoughtful functionality. Construction demands exceptional precision. The collar must remain perfectly structured. Pocket placement follows strict symmetry. Shoulder seams maintain the garment's clean lines. Reinforced stitching improves durability for everyday wear. High-quality cotton and wool fabrics provide comfort while preserving shape through years of use. Every detail contributes to disciplined simplicity. Throughout history, the Mao Suit became one of the defining garments of 20th century China. It appeared in government institutions, factories, schools, diplomatic events, and official ceremonies. Its influence later extended into international fashion, where designers admired its minimalist tailoring and architectural silhouette. Psychologically, the Mao Suit represents purpose. Its restrained appearance minimizes decoration in favor of function. It reflects organization, responsibility, and collective identity. Its elegance comes through proportion, rather than ornament. Today, modern tailoring continues reinterpreting the Mao Suit. Organic textiles improve sustainability. Lightweight wool blends enhance comfort. Precision pattern making refines the fit. Contemporary designers introduce new colors and fabrics while preserving the garment's iconic stand collar and balanced structure. Yet its defining silhouette remains immediately recognizable. Today, the Mao Suit stands among the most influential garments of the modern era. Its craftsmanship continues inspiring designers across continents. Its construction preserves a remarkable chapter in tailoring history. Its legacy proves that clothing can become more than fashion. It can become a symbol of an entire generation. Every carefully aligned pocket reflects disciplined craftsmanship. Every precisely shaped collar preserves a century of thoughtful design. Every Mao Suit reminds us that garments can tell stories far beyond the fabric itself.